question, everyone. I teach you to how make a bubble. Let's try this. This is tuba-tuba. Tuba-tuba is make a bubble like this. Watch and learn like that. Oh. Step number one, can you break the
Stem.
huh?
Stem.
Can you break the step and then buka-buka like that?
Slide.
Slide tapos matu- like this.
Wala may.
Can you break the step? Then can you slide, slide, and slide. Then can you close? Then open. Then blow like that. Like this. Yan.